Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. As you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be talking about XRP. Shout out to each and every one of you guys for tuning in on a day-to-day basis. Cannot thank you guys enough, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As we are obviously starting Friday, we did start off on a really positive note. Speaking about starting off on a really positive note, the year of 2025 has started off on an amazing note, especially for altcoins. You are seeing altcoins today even up double digits across the board, and I'm sure no one really is complaining when you're looking at that. But let's really take a look at what's happening with XRP's price right now, and of course what we could be expecting. So XRP's price is currently sitting at $2.46, guys. Yes, that's correct. Up 3.2% in USD, up 1.8% in Bitcoin compared with the market cap at about 140.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is skyrocketing as well, sitting at about $6 billion. Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. I really wanted to go over what Chad says here, and really makes you guys understand how big of a deal XRP Ledger is. Like a one-stop shop, and you can see one giant network of derivative assets interconnecting every country in the world. Over time, Ripple may launch or utilize other third-party stablecoins benchmarked to different fiat currencies found across the globe. And now we have RLUSD, which of course we know about that, but they're pretty much saying, there could be a time where you do see other stable coins as well. But I'm not sure if Ripple is really going to be focusing on that, especially, as you are seeing regulation being at the forefront, unless, of course, these other third-party stable coins are regulatory compliant. But moving forward, Mika will set a global precedent for comprehensive crypto regulation. So you can see this while other regions looking to it as a model initiated by European Commission. Mika is comprehensive framework regulating crypto assets that aim and harmonize crypto regulation across the EU. Mika goes into effect for stablecoin and e-money token issuers from June 2024, and broader crypto regulation for crypto asset services will come into force at the end of 2024 with some, transitional arrangement built in. And we know about that. 2024 was ended on, USDT being delisted off of a lot of centralized exchanges in the EU, which of course, tells you that, this is something we need to keep an eye out on, and this should tell you why regulation is so important. Moving forward, as more banks and institutional adopt Ripple's system to improve efficiency, the increasing demand for XRP coupled with its decreasing supply, drives its price upward over time. And we know a lot of people say, what happens when the price significantly increases? What kind of effect could they have on the network and the fees? Shout out to Smoke for mentioning this. If the price of XRP were to appreciate significantly to the point where sending transactions become a non-negligible cost for normal users, there is a mechanism in place to lower or raise transaction fees by supermajority vote of server operators. Yes, Ripple has extensively prepared for the significant price rise in XRP by implementing a mechanism like this. So, you could tell these guys are ahead of the curve. They know, if the price is to rise, what could happen, with the fees. They have this mechanism already built in where, it kind of, stabilizes everything. So very, very nice stuff here. Really tells you how, important Ripple is going to be in the transition of the financial system, especially towards the blockchain industry. And as we are seeing more tokenization talks happening, I think this is where XRP Ledger will shine. And I'm very excited to see what happens. And now, as regulation is coming towards crypto, now you're going to see banks more willing to work with companies like Ripple. Before maybe they weren't. Now they would be more confident to do so. So I think the year of not just 2025 but in the future is going to look really bright. But let's take a look at what's happening with the price right now. So dominance is pulling down really, really sharply right now. Amazing stuff for the dominance right now. Pulling down quite sharply. Altcoins pumping like crazy right now. Look at the last 1 hour as well, but look at the last 24 hours most importantly. A lot of projects across the board are up double digits. You're looking at Bitcoin. Let's give Bitcoin a quick refresh live. And Bitcoin's currently sitting at $98,375. If it's able to close even at this range, the most bullish scenario in my opinion is if it's closing at 99.5 today. If it's able to somehow get above that range, I think we could see $100,000 Bitcoin in the next few hours. And even if it's able to stand around this range, obviously close the daily candle here, I do expect that $100,000 is a very near price target. But now with that said, XRP's price is booming right now. Yes, you've heard that correct. This is not no clickbait. I've never people focus on the thumbnails, but just completely ignore what I say in the video. If you really listen to what I say in the video, I'm bullish as much as the thumbnail is. If you're looking at right now, and I repeat, there's a lot of haters that are speechless right now for XRP. You're looking at what XRP, the next few hours, the next 24 hours are very important. I repeat, the next 24 hours are very important. Here is why. Look at what's happening with XRP's price. XRP's price is retesting December 18th levels. We have a lot of resistance around this range, but most importantly, I want you guys to forget about everything. I want you guys to focus on the 23.6, which is the red zone. How many times has the price of XRP really retested that? So of course, the initial time at the beginning of December, we came back up to it on December 7th, as well as on the 17th. Every single 3 different times we saw a rejection. And right now you are seeing possibly the 4th time where we do see for the first time in the year of 2025, the price of XRP retesting the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. If we're able to see the close in this range, I think we are off to all-time highs. And, this chart speaks for itself. The consolidation speaks for itself. What a lot of people, completely ignored every time I made an update, even when the market saw a flush, is the fact that after we broke above this key resistance or at the $1.92, the price of XRP with the volatility that we have seen for the crypto markets, we have not seen the price of XRP falling below this key support. People are so fast to, come when the market has seen a flash pullbacks here due to Bitcoin volatility, due to dominance rising up. What people are not, focusing on is how the price of XRP did not fall below the support. We have consolidated really nicely after having a major leg up. And if you are a crypto holder, you do want to realize market will consolidate like this. And if a project is consolidating the way XRP is, you want to be happy about this because it's extensifying its support. So once we break out for good in the 23.6, which is looking like closer and closer as time is going by, you will see this exact level where we consolidated, coming as a major level of support. So I'm really liking what I'm seeing here, guys. Here is so pretty much kind of, let's go back at the beginning of December. December 31st. If you picked up some XRP at $2 price point, you're up 23.3%. In them just 2 to 3 days. And right now we're facing some key resistance. If our daily candle close even happens here, let the fireworks begin. I am expecting a 23.6 fib retest, and then obviously from there on, excitement really kicks in. So the next 24 hours, very important. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX and Pete.